Color a magic ring. 1 row, 3 chain stitch, 2 double crochet. Start pattern 3 chain stitch, 3 double crochet, end pattern, repeat 3 times. Slip stitch, two row, contrasting color 3 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, start pattern 5 double crochet, three chain stitch, 2 double crochet, end pattern, repeat. Slip stitch, color A, 3 row, 3 chain stitch, start pattern 10 double crochet, 3 chain stitch, 2 double crochet, end pattern, repeat. Slip stitch, contrasting color 4 row, 3 chain stitch, start pattern 14 double crochet, 3 chain stitch, 2 double crochet, end pattern, repeat. Slip stitch, 5 row, 2 chain stitch, start pattern 20 half double crochet, three chain stitch, 2 half double crochet, end pattern, repeat. Slip stitch, six row, 3 chain stitch, start pattern 4 double crochet, two double crochet in 1 stitch, end pattern, repeat. Slip stitch, 7 to 8 row, repeat pattern, Head circumference 56 centimeters.